Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings, trade on a different platform, or just get more familiar with blockchain transfers, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and KuCoin. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any necessary verification. It's crucial for security. Once you're logged into Coinbase, navigate to your dashboard and find your Solana wallet. Solana is a fast and efficient blockchain, so you'll see your Sol balance there. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw option for Solana. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which will come from KuCoin. Now, switch over to KuCoin. Log in. Go to your wallet section and select Deposit for Solana. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully, as one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Coinbase, paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount of Sol you want to send, and don't forget to select the correct network, which should be Solana, Sol. Blockchain networks are specific, so mismatched networks can cause issues. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with your Coinbase security settings, like two-factor authentication. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. Solana transactions are usually super quick, often under a minute, but factors like network congestion could add a bit of time. Once it's confirmed, check your KuCoin wallet to see your Sol arrive. Remember, always be cautious with crypto transfers, double-check addresses and consider the transaction fees, which can vary. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Solana from Coinbase to KuCoin. This process keeps your assets moving smoothly in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.